AJ and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the MacBook Pro 13-inch 2019 model with 128GB SSD. So let's just crack into it. So it comes in this box, which we'll open. I already opened it a little bit. So we open it up, you get MacBook Pro. Put the box aside. And as you guys can see, we have the MacBook Pro 13-inch model. This is the base model of the 2019 13-inch MacBook Pro. So as you guys can see, we have 1.4 GHz quad-core Intel i5 processor, which can turbo up to 3.9 GHz. Has 8GB of RAM, 120GB SSD, which is perfectly fine for me because I am using it for light use. You have the Intel Iris Plus Graphics 645, two Thunderbolt 3 ports, headphone jack on the right hand side, FaceTime HD and Mac OS. As you guys can see here, space grey, 1.4 GHz, 8GB, 120GB and the touch bar. So we have this little penny tab here, so if we just pull that over here, that releases that. We'll just peel that backwards a little bit. And then we release it downwards. So as you guys can see, this is the MacBook Pro unboxed. I'm just gonna, oh, quite heavy actually. So I just unbox it like this. Eventually, almost there. There we go. So as you guys can see, we have this pull tab for the MacBook. It's in this frosted plastic film. Just put that aside for the moment. Here we have our literature packet, and inside we just receive the basic everything you need to know about the MacBook. So we have the MacBook, got the instruction manual-ish thing. We have the MacBook instruction manual, just telling you about the MacBook. And we have our two white Apple stickers. Yeah, and then we have our, here we have our 61-watt power adapter, USB-C. This connects through here like so. And here we have our USB-C Type-C Thunderbolt cable. Just pop that back in here. And then we just open the MacBook up. The MacBook, of course, comes in this frosted plastic, as you can see. So you just lift it up here, and then you just slide it out, like so. Just put that aside. And if we open the MacBook up, good thing with the MacBook is when you open it up, it doesn't like lift up, so that's good. You have this film perfectly powered on straight away. Loading Mac OS here, which we can see. So the MacBook has just loaded, and we're just going to go through the setup process. So United Kingdom, just going to connect to my Wi-Fi. This MacBook does feature the butterfly keyboard with the third design, I believe, or the second design that Apple have done. Of course, because there's been issues with the butterfly keyboard, but I thought I won't worry about it because they always have the program for 4 years from now. So 2023 is when the program should run to. So I'm just going through it. So I'm not going to transfer any information. I'm going to set it up as brand new. I'm just going to log in with Apple ID. So now we've come to the terms and conditions. I'm just going to click agree. I'm just going to create my profile. So I will be setting up Find My. Going to be allowing the crash. As you guys can hear, the MacBook fan does go pretty does go for pretty long and quite loud. So we're gonna. This does have Hey Siri, so we are going to set that up.
Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather like? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like?
There we go, the Hey Siri setup. I'm not going to share the audio recordings. So the fan on this does go quite loud, I would say, but that's probably for the heavy use. But over time, as you can see, it is quieting down. But it can be quite loud. It is not that hot yet, so only probably when you do high performance stuff, it might get a bit hot. But for this, I'm not going to store files in iCloud Drive, and I'm not going to share my photos in iCloud Photos. I am gonna add the file vault description. So this of course does have Touch ID, which you guys can set up right now. So I'm gonna set my index finger up, as this is what I probably use the most. So this just have the second generation Touch ID sensor, which means it is great for quick, easy fingerprint reading. And just like that, it has registered my fingerprint. And we can continue. I am going to set up Apple Pay later. Personally, for me, I do like the dark theme. I'm really a fan of the dark theme, so I will be going for the dark theme. So I forgot to mention that this does have the True Tone display, which does match to your lighting conditions. So if you're in a darker room, it will make it a bit warmer, and if you're in a lighter room, it will make it a bit lighter. You can see it without, and then see it with, so it does make a big difference in depending on your lighting conditions. So I'm gonna keep that. So we're setting up the Mac. Personally, for me, this MacBook is perfect because it has a great storage for me. I'm using it very lightly. I'm not going to be using it a lot. So yeah, this is perfect for me. As I'm only going to be using it not as a lot. So this has the Mac. This is running macOS Catalina, obviously. This is the MacBook Pro 13-inch 2019 Thunderbolt 3 ports with 1.4 GHz quad-core Intel i5, 8 GB of RAM, with the Intel Iris Plus graphics 645. If I just move that down, we have the display, which is obviously built in, the storage, which is 120 GB, which is only being taken up 26s, or it's going up, which is being taken up by the OS mainly. So the system, yeah, is only taking up 10.78 GB. The apps are taking 4 GB, and the music creation is just taking up a few gigabytes, and the other 9.4. I will make a video on how to get rid of this other, because I know that it does take up a lot of storage. You have the support and most of that. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a massive thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos of the MacBook, as I have one now. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!